Alright, it is time for another beach adventure. And today we are in Solna. And it's been a while since I've taken a swim or dip in this municipality. But I am at the very beginning of the municipality, so right next to Pampas Marina and fairly close also to Skogen. And this is probably the closest beach spot for the people that live in Skogen. And it is a super nice jetty with two big benches that overlooks Kungsholmen, more specifically Hornsberg and Traneberg, as well as the motorway that can be heard in the distance. Quite busy this time of the day, lunchtime. And we can also see Alvik and Minneberg and Traneberg on the other side. So yes, we have had some snow today. It was not so much though, but right now it's also snowing a bit, but it is not like huge snowflakes, but it is 2 degrees Celsius only, and I am freezing. So I really hope that the temperature in Lake Mälaren is gonna be a lot warmer. Okay, this is beach day 188 on my Sweden beach adventures. So we are getting closer and closer to our last goal of the year, which is 200 beach days in Sweden this year. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick dip. So let's then jump in, or actually go in, because I will definitely not jump, as that will be a huge shock for the body. So this is actually, there are actually houses here on the water that you can see. So imagine living on the water. And this is actually very close to the city center. It's around 3 to 4 kilometers to the main square in Stockholm, Sergels Torg. Yes, on the other side I have taken so many swims before, and not so far away from here it is Ulvsundasjön, which I visited at the beginning of May or April, was it? I don't remember. But yes, today is 14th of November, and yes, it's very challenging and adventurous to be doing a beach adventure on such a November day, but the weather still allows it, so we're gonna continue using that. And the water is not that cold, to be fair. We're gonna check out very soon what is the temperature. Okay, I'm gonna chill here a bit. Okay, it is very slippery here. Okay. Let's wait a bit as you enjoy more in the view over Hornsberg and the beautiful Lake Mälaren. Cool, time for the verdict. It is still, believe it or not, 8 degrees Celsius in the air, in the water I mean. So Mälaren is still warm despite being only 2 degrees in the air. So the water feels nice, so we're gonna have no problem in the dip today. So yes, okay, we are going down in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, so nice. 8 degrees Celsius, super warm. That's 6 degrees warmer than in the air. And look at that, the sun is about to show also again in Stockholm. We have had very little sun in November, so okay, I have been now quite long in the water, despite being 8 degrees. I think it's still cold as further you go down. 8 degrees is only on the surface. Cool. That's a wrap from today's dip here in Pampas Marina in Solna municipality. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!